to the garage. Today my goal is to finish this Volvo and do a quick test drive. Next we have to put some oil in the diff and then we have to put some air in the tires. I'm quite happy and as you saw the diff lock is working, and next I will do 3 test runs to make sure that everything works, and I hope we can get some nice slides also. Woo! Now we have a few test runs behind, and we actually have now too much grip. Okay, there's still some ice on the road, but it's there's a lot of sand, so we have so much grip that I can't get it in a nice slide properly. But as you can see where the sand ends, there's still quite slippery, but the road is so narrow there that I can't, or I'm too afraid to go fast that way. But I will try a few more times. now the first test runs are behind, and we have a little more grip, too much grip now. I hope we would have more like winter-like conditions here, but it is what it is. But I will try a few more times. Well, I couldn't finish the last run and I ran into some issues. I hope I just ran out of gas, but we shall see that in a while. Kiitti. Well, it started to run quite okay, not 100% yet, but I think there might be still some air in the fuel system. But as you can see, the diff really works. So which was the thing that we had to, or what I wanted to test today. Engine seems to be okay, no any bad smell. Okay, it's quite hot, but there is only a small amount of oil here, but it's normal. It looks okay, and there is not anything alarming here, so it's looks okay, and we don't have any leaks down here. Those oil dots or spills are actually old one, but it looks like okay. I would say that this was successful test, because the goal was to test the diff, and as you saw, it worked okay. Okay, we had to stop this test a little bit early because the engine died, but I hope it was just that we ran out of fuel, and now it runs quite okay. But once again, this was a great fun to drive with this car, and especially now when we have the welded diff. Hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and please give me some comments down below. And if you haven't already, from some reason, subscribe this channel, do it right away, and remember to press the bell also. Thanks for watching and see you soon.